Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Y'all, the phone numbers are in the description box below this video. Just click show more. The description box should open up. Call those numbers. It's to the White House switchboard. They will put you in touch with any member of the House, any congressman, any senator, and even Donald Trump's office. You won't talk to Donald Trump, but you will talk to one of his aides. Y'all, remember, there's nothing set in stone yet. This is just my feelings. I'm not saying anything has been approved, because it hasn't. But I do feel confident in a $2,000 stimulus check. Nothing is set in stone. If anybody says it has been, they're lying to you. Y'all, I'm beginning to get some emails, people asking me certain questions about their Social Security problems. Y'all, I am not qualified to answer those questions. The best thing I can say for you to do is get in touch with your local Social Security Administration office. I am not qualified to answer those questions, and even if I did try to answer them, I could open myself up for trouble. So I will not answer those questions. I hope you understand. Okay, Trump said yes to another stimulus check. He said it will be bigger and better than anything we've ever seen before. So just that right there is proof to me that we will be getting a stimulus check. It's still not set in stone. It has to be passed and signed before we get a stimulus check. Until then, we don't have a stimulus check. We're optimistic we're going to get one, or at least I'm optimistic. Remember, the Senate and the House both has to approve the bill before Donald Trump can approve it. So if people are telling you Donald Trump has approved a bill to give us a stimulus check, again, they're lying. Donald Trump don't have that power. Trump said we'll see the stimulus package within the next couple of weeks. So if we're going to see it in the next couple of weeks, that means probably next week, or maybe even this week, they're already working on it. And it could very well already be done. They're just waiting all the time. Wait and see. Y'all, the video that's circling around right now of Donald Trump saying yes to a new stimulus check, I don't know if I really put a lot of faith in that video or not, because if you watch the video, and I'm sure you've seen it, how it jumps around from place to place, is not dead set on Donald Trump's face the whole time he's talking, and it goes from one question straight to another question. The way the camera is jumping around, that just leaves me doubt in my head that maybe this is just sound bites put together. I don't know. I'm not accusing them of doing it, but that's what it looks like to me. So until it's actually signed in stone, I'm not buying it. But now, Donald Trump has to do something, and he has to do something drastic. And he said he will do something drastic. So let's just see if he does. His poll numbers are way down. If he don't do something drastic, he's going to lose this election. And he knows that. The upcoming election is getting really close, so he's got to do something. He's got to do it fast. Let's just see what he does. We all know that Donald Trump is wanted out of office by the left, by the Democrats, and I really believe he's wanted out of office by a lot of Republicans. They're just having to be quiet on the down low about it because they're all Republicans. But I believe both sides is wanting him out. And what better way to get him out than to make this, since Donald Trump has already said on that film yes to a stimulus check, and it's going to happen bigger and better than ever before. if that is sound bites put together and it don't happen, Donald Trump's gone, and they know it. That's why I don't put a lot of faith in that video. Yeah, we seen Donald Trump said yes, but what did he say yes to? The way that the video is all chopped up. So we'll just have to wait and see. Okay, on the PPP loans. At first, they didn't want to disclose the names of the companies that got this loan, even though in the CARES Act, it stated that they had to make it public, the names of the company that got the loans. But they said they was not going to do it, that it wasn't anyone's business. It is our business, it's our money. But after they got pressured, they agreed that they would make the names public. But now they're saying they need more time to get this list together. For different amounts of loan, they're going to give you different information about the company. Okay, the way I see it, if everything is on the up and up, they don't have anything to hide, just put the damn list out there. I mean, if you have nothing to hide, you know they've got a list, just put it out there. It's done. But they're backtracking. They're trying to cover their ass because they know they've done wrong. Y'all, I was thinking, now this is off topic, but I was thinking, this is the year 2020. Everything bad is happening in this year. But it's opening our eyes to our government and how our government does not care for us and how crooked our government is. We're beginning to see them in 2020 vision. Coincidence? Don't know. But we sure see them in a different light now, don't we? Y'all, also, I want to tell you, Facebook and Twitter, I have decided to leave both of those platforms. I'm closing my account because they control the narrative. They control what you say. They control everything on your account. If you don't say what they like you to say, they delete it. They delete that post. They censor what you say. Now, I'm not saying BLM is right or wrong, but on my Facebook, I've got a button to take me straight to BLM. Why is that button there? Did I ask for it to be put there? But if I post something of my beliefs, they can delete it, but I can't delete that button. Yeah, I'm done with Facebook and Twitter. They're one-sided. They want to censor what we the people say, and I'm not going to stand for it. So I will have my email, I will have my Tumblr, I will have my websites, and I will have YouTube. And that's it for me. Excuse me, I'm sorry. But Facebook has never done nothing for me anyway. Only 2% of your people that's on your friends list sees whatever you post anyway. So they stifle anything that you put out there anyway. They want you to buy ads, and I'm not buying ads. So I just want to let y'all know about that. I am leaving Facebook and Twitter, and I do feel very confident in a 2,000, maybe even better stimulus check. And wouldn't every month be great? And Donald Trump did say bigger and better than anything you've seen before. So, maybe so. Y'all, please get those numbers. Blow those numbers up. Chew their ears off every day. I do it every day. I do it in the mornings when I get up, right after I do all my posting. Chew them out every day, and don't be nice. And y'all, please come back every day. At 6 a.m. I go public with my video, and give me a thumbs up, give me a thumbs down, leave your comments, and just know I love you all, and we will get out of this. It's just a matter of when. Y'all hang tight. Better days are before us. I promise you that. Just keep your faith in God, and just know I love you all. Ciao.